Did your stock get sold without being updated? OOS Books instantly alerts you with a negative stock reminder, so you never miss tracking your inventory. As soon as you press Ctrl+S, you are directly taken to the sale window. Once the sale window opens, first select the customer and then choose the item. Here you can see that I have 50 pieces available of this item. But still, I'm able to sell 60 quantities because OOS Books allows sales even on negative stock. If you want sales to happen only as per your available purchase stock, then click on the settings icon at the top of the sale window. From there, turn on low stock quantity and click save. Now, when you try to sell 60 pieces while only 50 are in stock, OOS Books will warn you that your quantity exceeds the available stock. You can click on Yes, Add it to proceed with the sale anyway, and finally select the payment source to print the bill. And this way, OOS Books alerts you before selling on negative stock, helping you manage your sales and inventory accurately without errors. This feature is especially beneficial for businesses dealing with multiple products where tracking each unit is essential. So, turn on the low stock warning feature today and make your selling even smarter.